Hello, I'm Valerie Okello, a research analyst at Capital A Investment Bank. Today, I'll be taking you through the Kenyan equities market for the month of April. I'll begin by looking at the top movers in April 2025. Safaricom retained its position as the top mover with the highest turnover of 1.19 billion Kenya shillings. Equity Group came second with 1.72 billion Kenya shillings, and KCB Group came third with 1.26 billion Kenya shillings. The delay in the Access NBK deal beyond the initial sale timelines has negative sentiment implications for KCB Group, explaining its net foreign outflows. Next, we look at the companies that had the largest net foreign outflows. Safaricom, Equity Group, and KCB led in turnover, attracting strong foreign participation, but also registering the largest net foreign outflows. This points to profit-taking activity, particularly following the strong full-year 2024 banking sector results released in March. Foreign investors aggressively reduced exposure to these blue-chip stocks, resulting in notable price declines. KCB was down 8.6% year-to-date, while equity shed 3.1%. Looking at the trends in equity turnover in the month of April, the equity turnover at the Nairobi Securities Exchange declined by 7.3% month-on-month to 7.52 billion Kenya shillings in April 2025, reflecting reduced trading activity despite the recent earnings season. The decline signals a cooling of investor momentum following a strong March, likely driven by profit-taking after banks posted robust full-year 2024 results. We'll delve into foreign investor activity in the month of April. Foreign investor activity surged by 64.6% in April 2025, with foreign purchases increasing by 115.2% month-on-month. Year-on-year, foreign buys saw a slight rise of 0.3%. Sell-offs remained intensified, with outflows amounting to 850.9 million Kenya shillings, down from 926.6 million Kenya shillings in March. This trend reflects the broader global risk sentiment on Trump's tariffs, with foreign capital shifting to safer assets amid geopolitical tensions. Looking at the top gainers, Crown Paints Kenya emerged as a top gainer, driven by an impressive turnaround in its performance in its full-year results, surging to 544 million Kenya shillings, up from a loss of 29 million Kenya shillings recorded in full year 2023. The group also announced a final dividend of 3 Kenya shillings per share. The strong recovery was driven by a more stable Kenyan currency, effective marketing strategies, and enhanced cost control and operational efficiency within Kenyan operations. Absa New Gold ETF came in second. This reflects global gold prices rally as investors sought for safe haven amid global uncertainty. Liberty Kenya Holdings delivered a robust full-year performance, doubling its earnings and significantly increasing shareholder payouts. The company raised its dividend 2.6 times, declaring both an ordinary share dividend and a special distribution of 0.5 Kenya shillings per share, after posting a net profit of 1.37 billion, more than double the previous year's results. For top losers, Express Kenya Limited reported another year of financial challenges, with its net losses widening to 107.9 million Kenya shillings in 2024, up from 103.4 million Kenya shillings in 2023. The logistics company experienced a 4% decline in revenues, dropping to 26.4 million Kenya shillings, largely due to a reduction in clientele and leased storage space. Unga Group came second and in third place with So Longhorn Publishers. In the month of May, we expect to see muted trading volumes with selective buying in resilient counters. Market directions will depend heavily on global risk sentiment, local economic indicators, and the tone set by upcoming Q1 corporate earnings releases. That's all for today. Till next time.
Partner with CAIB to build a legacy that lasts.